How to disable macros in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable macros in the Excel program. This is quick and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, open Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, go to the top left corner and then click on File. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Options and this will open the Excel option window. Now look for Trust Center on the left sidebar and click on it. After that, you need to click on Trust Center Settings button. In the Trust Center window, select Macro Settings. Here, you will see several options for managing macros. You can choose to disable all macros without notification, disable all macros with notification, or disable all macros except digitally signed macros. Select the option that best fits your need. And that's it. You have successfully disabled macros in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updated tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.